It's a day to mark the significant achievements that women have made and the contributions that we've made and continue to make to the improvements of daily life in terms of leadership and in terms of just, well, every aspect. Women are at the heart of every aspect of life.
Is intended on highlighting and recognizing the role of women in our society, respect for women, ensuring that we as a world, not just as a country, but as a world, allow for equal treatment, equal respect, equal recognition. As a beneficiary of a single parent and a mother who grew me up, I fully appreciate that.
A day to reflect on not only how far we've come, but how far we still have to go, and what are the obstacles in the way of women achieving their best potential.
I have a daughter and I have a son, and what I have instilled in my daughter from the very beginning is that she can do anything that she wants, anything that she thinks she would be good at. I give her the opportunity to try it, and I will give her every opportunity that I've given to my son, or that I will give to my son.
I have a lot of nieces, so I would just like to instill the mark of confidence in them, to let them know that they can go for it and make their mark in this life. There's no opportunities that are limited to them. There is no job that they can't do. It's equality across the table.
Happy International Women's Day.
And I say to all the women of the world, Happy International Women's Day.
Baby,